Welcome friends, welcome to my maths class at GM Sarga channel. You are learning mensuration. We have the problem. The shape is frustum. Outer portion of the table lamp. The diagram is given. This is the table lamp. Has to be painted, including the top part. That is this part we have to paint. Find the total cost of painting the lamp at the rate of rupees 2 per centimeter square. So we have to paint this surface, and this surface. So the given shape is frustum. The small radius, the radius of the top is 6 centimeter. The bigger radius of the bottom capital R 12 centimeter, and the rate of painting is rupees 2 per centimeter square. So here we have the area to be painted is CSA of frustum plus area of top. In the CSA of frustum we have pi into L into capital R plus small r plus area of top is pi small r square. Here we find the height h in the diagram 8 centimeter. We required L, slant height of the cone. So the slant height of the cone is given by formula L equal to square root of h square plus capital R square minus R minus R the whole square, which is h square is 8 square plus 12 minus 6 the whole square. Again it is a square root of 64 plus 6 square, which is square root of 64 plus 36, square root of 100. Therefore L equal to 10 centimeter we have. So we continue with the CSA. Area to be painted 22 by 7 plus 22 by 7 into L is 10 centimeter, R plus R, capital R 12 plus 6 plus this pi, and this pi can be taken as common. So we have 22 by 7 as common. So this pi is written out, and here we have small r square, that is 6 into 6. So we have 22 by 7 into 10 into 18 plus 36, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 180 plus 36, and we have 22 by 7 into 216. Next, the cost of painting at the rate of rupees 2 per centimeter square, which is equals to 22 by 7 into 216 into 2. So it is 44 into 216 by 7. So we have 216 into 44, 24, 2, 6, 8, 4, 10, 15, 1, 9, 5, 0, 4 by 7, which is again equals to 1 time, 2 remaining 21, 3 time, 4 remaining, 4 0 47 table 35, 5 time, then 5 remaining, 54, 7 time 49, and the same way when you divide completely you will get in the decimal number, and we will get the cost of painting as rupees 1357 and 71 paise. That's it in this question. Thank you friends. If you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching this video.